He's gonna go around.
We're gonna go around Santa's
candies.
And he's gonna pick up Santa's bag of toys.
He got it! Hey guys, I'm Josiah.
And I'm Aiden. And I'm Juliet.
Today we're gonna be playing reindeer games. The way it's gonna work is we're gonna have 3 different games, 1 round each. The first game we're gonna play is fishing for antlers. The way this is gonna work is we have to fish with that, and whoever gets these 2 in the fastest amount of time wins. Let's get started. Ready, set, go! There's magic right there, Cheetos. Come on. Okay.
1, 2. And
Oh. Got it. Ooh.
who's up next?
Aiden will go next. Got it.
Got it.
Go. Got it. I got 21 seconds, so I learned round 1. So how you play pin the nose on Rudolph is you have to stand right here. You have to have the Santa hat on, which is right here. You spin around, and then you have to try to place it on Rudolph's nose, so he has a nose. But if you put it anywhere else, then you lose. So
make it closer than everybody else. Okay.
down. There you go.
Put it right here. Okay, right.
You put it right there.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. But you can.
Oh my gosh. You did it.
Okay.
He slightly went off.
Right there. Oh. Huh.
Got it right here on his that thing. Right here. You got it right here.
Okay. Oh man. So I won the first round and I won the second round. So the third game is the reindeer race. So how you have to play is you have to speed walk through the obstacle course, and whoever has the least amount of time wins.
3, 2, 1, go!
Here Aiden goes.
You have to go.
Oh, he
now.
dropped 2 candy.
Okay.
Oh, he missed something.
Okay. I'll just get
He's gonna go around the reindeer. He's going around the reindeer.
Yes.
Okay, so he's
lose
gonna
a
go
point.
through the Charlie Brown tree. He goes through. He goes through the presents. He's gonna go put on a reindeer headband.
Yeah, headband.
Now he goes.
Now he's gonna go. Ooh, he dropped 2, 3.
Oh, 4 candies. He's gonna go around.
We're gonna go
Oh,
around Santa's
5
sleigh,
candies.
and he's gonna pick up Santa's bag of toys.
He got it.
And when he finished.
Time. That is time, people.
3, 2, 1, go! 1 piece of candy.
1 piece of candy down.
Yeah. Oh, and now it's kind of.
So you got 1 candy down.
And knocked over. Well, not knocked over.
Okay.
And next she's going to the present that Santa dropped off at this house. Hopefully they get good presents.
I know, but I don't know why Santa's flying backwards.
And now he has to go on his.
Okay.
And now he has to put on his reindeer headband.
Prancer.
And he's gonna go around Santa's bag. And then when he's done with the circle, he's gonna pick up that Santa's bag of toys, and he's gonna finish. That was Josiah.
3, 2, 1. Here Juliet goes around the reindeer.
She's going around the reindeer.
She hasn't dropped the candy yet.
Here she goes around Peanut's tree from Charlie Brown.
She hasn't dropped no candy yet.
Okay, now she's going around
She's going around the presents.
Then Santa dropped off earlier.
Oh,
She hits it.
Oh,
Now she's
okay,
going
now
to
she's gonna go put on the reindeer
headband. Now she's going
Now
back
she's
around.
gonna go to Santa's bag.
She's going around Santa's bag.
Here she goes.
She's grabbing it.
Gotta go. Oh, she turns. We just played the reindeer games. I'm Josiah.
And I'm Aiden.
And I'm Juliet. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.